New to editing in CapCut and not sure how to add overlays? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add overlays in the CapCut desktop app. Now let's get started. If you haven't downloaded the CapCut desktop app yet, check out this video to learn how to install it. To add an overlay to a video using the CapCut desktop app, open CapCut on your computer and begin a new project as you normally would. To add a photo or video as an overlay, click Import to bring in the photo or video you want to use for your overlay. Then click and drag the clip from your imported media to your project timeline, and place it on top of the main clip in your video. You can click and drag the clip to the point in your video where you want it to appear. If you don't want to use the entire clip, you can drag the beginning and end to trim off parts of the overlay that you don't want to use. Or if your overlay is a photo, drag the ends to adjust how long you want the overlay to appear on screen. You can adjust the placement of the overlay by clicking and dragging the corners of the clip, and dragging the overlay to adjust the placement. You can also click and drag the rotation marker to rotate your overlay if needed. Use the menu on the right to make more specific adjustments for scale, position, and rotation of your overlay. If you'd like to use a transition when your overlay begins and ends, click Animation. Here you can choose from various transitions for when your overlay comes in and goes out. I'm applying Fade In and Fade Out as an example, but there are lots to choose from. If you have another overlay you want to add to your video, repeat these steps to add additional overlays to your project. When you're all done, click Export to save your completed video. That's all it takes to add overlays in CapCut on the desktop app. To learn more about editing with CapCut, check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.